Hey everyone. Welcome back to another episode of Dream Find. Today, I've made something really cool for you. This is a handcrafted wooden stove, which can be lit using coal or firewood. The fire inside has already gone out, but we're going to use what's left behind, the ash, to create something useful. Right, today, I'm going to make Super Power Detergent Powder using the leftover ash. By collecting the white ash from inside the stove and pouring it into an open container. I'm also adding some extra ash that I had previously stored. Next, I use a sieve to separate out the larger chunks, keeping only the fine ash powder. Now, I'm adding wood powder collected from a sawmill into the fine ash. After mixing the two thoroughly, I spread the mixture out in the sun to dry. Once dried, the mixture looks smooth, clean, and has a nice, even color. And just like that, our Super Power Detergent Powder is ready. Now I'm collecting the mixture in a container. I rub the machinery dirt with my hands. Now, it's time to test it. I add a small amount of the powder, add a little water, and rub it on my hands, which are covered in machinery dirt. After rinsing with clean water, the dirt comes off completely. My hands are clean and fresh. I hope you enjoyed this simple but effective process. Let me know what you think in the comments, and how I can make it even better next time. If you liked this video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Dream Finder.